In town of Andipatti, opposite to the bus stand on the right hand side, about 200 meters, there lies a museum which has this all kind of exhibits, and here entry fees is 10 rupees plus additional 100 rupees for the camera. So you can have this video as a reference for your museum visit. So for education purpose, they have given about earthquake, and earthquake also known as a quake tremor is the shake of the surface of the earth resulting from sudden release of energy in earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. Earthquake can range in size from that which are weak and cannot be felt to those violent enough to propel objects and people into air and wreak destruction. At earth's surface, earthquakes manifest themselves by shaking and displacing or disrupting the ground. Earthquakes are caused mostly by rupture of geological faults, but also other events such as volcanic activity, landslides, mine blast, and nuclear test. An earthquake point of initial rupture is called as hypocenter or focus. The epicenter is a point at ground level directly above the hypocenter. Next, we are going to see about fossils. Fossils derive from Latin words fossilis, literally obtained by digging. Is any preserved remains, impressions, or trace of any once lived things from a past geological age. Example includes bones, shells, exoskeletons, shown imprints of animal or microbes, objects preserved in amber, hair, petrified wood, oil, coal, and DNA remnants. Paleontology is study of fossils, their age, method of formation, and evolutionary significance. Specimens are usually considered to be fossils if they are over 10,000 years old. The oldest fossils are around 3.48 billion years old to 4.1 billion years old. The observation in 19th century that certain fossils were associated with certain rock strata led to the recognition of the geological timescale and the relative ages of different fossils. The development of radiometric dating techniques in the early 20th century allowed scientists to quantitatively measure the absolute age of rocks and the fossils they host. Fossils vary in size from 1 micrometer bacteria to dinosaurs and trees many meters long and weighing many tons. A fossil normally preserves only a portion of the diseased organism. Usually that portion was partially mineralized during life, such as bones and teeth of vertebrates or the chitinous or calcareous exoskeleton. In vertebrates, fossils may also consist of the marks left behind the organism while it was alive, such as animal tracks. After which we are going to see the exhibits of gastropod of a snail and another marine creature which is kept on this exhibit, and followed by belemnite. It is a fossil which resembles a body of a squid-like shaped structure, so it resembles a bullet-like shape. So next we are going to see about some other fascinating animals in fossil forms. So this is the cast and mold of the fossils forming, and this is how the petrification of animals or insects or wood takes place. So this is a petrified wood. So the opposite was the petrified dragonfly. So this is Astarte, Nautilus, Griffei, Rastellum carnatum, Brachiopod Michela, coral fossil, Astarte, Quexi, Trochus, Ammonite. It is found in most parts of Tamil Nadu. For example, I could say Ariohmchannel district, where all of this remains is the main raw material for the production of the cement which they are manufacturing. With more interesting facts, I am going to show you this video in multiple parts. So kindly watch the other segments also in this nicely maintained Andipatti museum. Thanks for watching this segment, and kindly watch the other segments also. Thank you.